Hello friends, welcome to DCS Learning. So there is a good news for those who have applied for RI Mysore. You can see for admission 2020-2021 BSc B.Ed PCM, RI Mysore has released a second merit list, or you can say the waiting list. And for the second merit list, there are 33 number of seat vacant. You can see from general merit list 15 seats, from OBC 6, from SC 5, from ST 2, PWD 2, and AWS 3 seat. If you see the states in particular, then from Andhra Pradesh, 1 general, 1 OBC, 1 SC, ST, PWD, and AWS, total 6 seat. From Karnataka, total 7 seat. From Kerala, total 6 seat. From Tamil Nadu, total 10 seats. From Telangana, 4, and no seats left for Puducherry. So this is the seats vacant seats list, and you can see your names here. From Andhra Pradesh, many number of students got their name in the waiting list. Okay, approximately 30 students got their name in the waiting list. Still, you can see the cutoff is not below 90. Still, the cutoff is above 90. I want to congratulate all these students. Okay, these are many of our from DCS Learning family. So I want to congratulate you all. If you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it, so that throughout the your career, throughout the RI, you will get guidance from us. We are the RI pass out or RI alumni, so we will better guide you throughout the 4-year career. So Gayatri, Janyavula, Bodu, Kotavarthi, like that, all these names are there. And for this was for general merit list. Then from OBC, you can see the names like Nilla, Muhaviz, then T, Archana, Allu, like that. Okay, then from SC, Sravani, Blessy, Sheikh, like that, you can see the names. For SC, it is 42.67% up to quota was there. I don't know, I don't think how it is, because I know that quota, the minimum marks should be 50, and for SC it should be 45. So I don't know why it is, how it can be 42. Maybe they are taking less than 45 also. Okay, but it's okay. You can see for ST, for OBC, 88.33 is the last cutoff in the waiting list. Also from ST, 66.33 is the last cutoff. From Karnataka, if you see, the last cutoff for general is 95, for OBC is 95.67, actually 95. And for SC, you can see the cutoff is 45.67, and for ST, you can see the last cutoff is 32. How it is possible? Okay, but I don't know, they have changed the system maybe. And EWS 49 is the last cutoff. Hyderabad and Karnataka 91.67 is the last cutoff. Kerala 99.83. No, it is 97 the last cutoff. OBC and Creamilia, it is 97.65, and for SC 62.33. For Tamil Nadu, there are a lot of names, and the last cutoff is 83% for OBC. Last cutoff is 82.33. SC last cutoff is 42.33. EWS last cutoff is 44.67. And for Telangana, last cutoff in the general merit list is 95.74. OBC NCL 91.17. For SC 95.67. Then sorry, it is 48.33. For Puducherry Lakshadweep 78 is the last cutoff. EWS Andhra Pradesh 87.8 is the last cutoff. EWS Telangana, Kerala, it is 45.19, and regional PWD 68 is the last cutoff. So those name whose name beside, you can see the bold. Okay, those name whose percentage or name is bold, they will get the first chance. So each person will get first chance, then then rest will get chance. So यहाँ पे जिसका भी नेम बोल्ड में है उनको पहला चांस दिया जाएगा. You will get the first preference. Okay, so this is the list of BSc, B.Ed, PCM, and CBZ. Now let me show you the last date for filling of the Google form. Okay, you have to fill up the Google form up to, or the last date 27th October 5 PM is the last deadline. So इससे पहले you have to fill all the forms before 27 October 5 PM. Okay, and this is the link in which we can you have to submit all the form. This link will be available in the official website also. And you have to pay the fee on 28 October positively, unless your candidature will be cancelled. If you want to join this, you must give the fee on 28 October for BSc, CBZ, and PCM. Okay, that was for PCM actually. For CBZ also, you can see many names are there, and similar deadline may be there for BSc, CBZ also. Let me show you. And you can see here, the last date is again here 27 October, and the fee payment last date is 28 October. And you can see all this necessary documents that you have to fill up, and the email address that you have to send. Okay, सारे के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट फिलअप करके you have to send in this email address desmriem@gmail.com. Clear na? Okay, so in the next video I'll explain how to fill up all this form, so you keep waiting. I will just explain the next video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then subscribe it, and if you could not get a seat in RI Mysore this year, then please join Super 50 batch, in which we are preparing the candidate those who want to appear for next year or in 2022. Here you will get good guidance so that you will get a chance to read in RI Mysore, which is one of the prestigious institute for reading integrated B.Ed in all over India. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.